Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this kitchen remodel, we made a minor structural change to open up the kitchen to the dining and living room area. We also added a large island and a couple cabinets that have glass doors. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Unfortunately, I don't have any photos of the kitchen before, but here's what it looks like once everything has been removed. We removed a wing wall that was load bearing, so Tony and Phil are installing an exposed bearing beam for support. The bearing beam has been installed. The drywall has been patched and we are now painting. We installed 3¼ inch by 2¼ inch red oak hardwood that was sanded and finished on site. For the cabinets, we installed Waypoint 650F maple linen on the perimeter and cherry Java for the island. The quartz countertops have been installed. They are Cambria New Haven with demi bullnose edges. The backsplash we installed was MSI Crema Marfil polished on a diagonal and a 4-inch band of American Olean Express Hearthstone, then 3 rows of Crema Marfil straight to the bottom of the cabinets. Here is the completed kitchen. We love the way this kitchen turned out. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.